In this video, you'll learn how to add custom fields in Asana. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to enhance your project management experience through improved task visibility and data organization. Begin by navigating to the Asana website and signing into your workspace. If prompted, enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the project where you need to add custom fields. It is essential that you have edit permissions for this project to proceed. After you've opened the desired project, look for the customization panel. This panel is typically found in the top right corner of your project view. Click on the option labeled Customize to reveal the customization settings. Next, find and click the button that says Add Custom Field. A new window will appear, prompting you to choose the type of field you want to create. Asana offers several options such as text fields, number fields, drop-downs, and more. Select the type that best suits your needs. Once you have chosen the field type, you will need to define the options for drop-down fields, if applicable. Clearly outline the choices that users will have. After setting up the field parameters, click Create Field to save it to your project or library. This action effectively standardizes the data entry process across your tasks. To manage and scale your custom fields, apply the newly created field consistently across relevant tasks. You can do this using filters and sorting based on the values within these fields. Should your workflows change, you can edit the field as necessary. Additionally, if you want to share this field with other projects, you can do so easily, which supports a scalable approach to project management. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.